Good morning. So it's just gone 10 a.m. and I have to pull the head off the Saxo. It looks like the head gasket's gone, so you need to strip it down, get it ready, get it gone. In the rain, it's pissing down. Right, so just trying to unbolt the manifold, the exhaust manifold, and what I didn't want to happen has just happened. The nut has just spun. I tried to shock it by smacking it with the hammer a little bit, soaking it in WD. Yeah, did not want to come off. So try and drill it out, nut and bolt it, try and find another manifold would be the easiest option to do. Yeah, we'll see. Trying to have a look to see what it could have been. There's a few rough places, but there's nothing that actually obvious that I can see to the head gasket. It seems to be gas rather than oil mixing. So it's off now, it'll be getting skimmed and then new gasket, and it will be going back on. Bit of soot around there, but I don't think it's anything out of the ordinary. I spilled a bit of oil in these two. I want to go inside and have a shower.